Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the secret sauce of success. Did you know that over 70% of people have goals but only 3% actually write them down? What sets those few apart? If you've ever wondered how to shift from dreams to actions and, ultimately, to success, you're in the right place. Today, we're uncovering the secrets to becoming successful in just 10 minutes. Let's dive into 5 essential steps that can transform your journey. I'm going to share with you the essential steps to becoming successful. Ready? Let's go. Section 1. Define your goals. Step 1 is to define your goals. This is crucial. Successful people always know exactly what they want to achieve. You can't hit a target if you don't know where it is. Start by taking a pen and paper, or open an app on your phone. Write down your goals. Make them specific. Instead of saying, "I want to be fit," say, "I want to run a 5K in 3 months." Next, set both short-term and long-term objectives. Short-term could be a weekly workout plan. Long-term might be finishing a marathon. Being clear about your goals gives you a direction to follow. So take a moment. Think about what you truly want. Jot them down. Section 2. Develop a growth mindset. Now, step 2 is about developing a growth mindset. This means you should embrace challenges. Successful individuals see setbacks as opportunities to learn. When you face a roadblock, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Take criticism as feedback. When someone gives you advice or points out flaws, see it as a chance to improve, not as a personal attack. Fostering curiosity will keep you eager to learn new skills. For instance, if you want to be good at public speaking, take a class. Each challenge makes you stronger and more prepared for future obstacles. Remember, growth doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and patience. Section 3. Take action and stay disciplined. Moving on to step 3. Take action and stay disciplined. Dreams don't work unless you put in the effort every day. Having goals is great, but without action, they remain just wishes. Create a daily routine that includes time dedicated to your goals. Set reminders if needed. Start small. Even 15 minutes a day can lead you to nice results. Consistent, focused effort is key. Picture this: you want to write a book. If you write just 1 page a day, in a year, you'll have a whole book. Staying disciplined also means saying no to distractions. Remove temptations that take you away from your path. That's how you build a habit of success. Section 4. Build a strong network. Step 4 is to build a strong network. Success often comes from who you know as much as what you know. Make it a priority to connect with like-minded people. Join groups related to your interests, attend workshops, or webinars. Having mentors can be a game changer. Seek out industry leaders and ask for guidance. Share your goals with them. You'd be surprised how willing people are to help if you show genuine curiosity. Building a network also helps you gain new perspectives. Each connection can lead you to new opportunities. Think of networking as not just making contacts but building relationships. Invest in them. Section 5. Maintain a positive attitude. Finally, step 5 is to maintain a positive attitude. Your mindset can make or break your success journey. Constantly focusing on the negatives will hold you back. Instead, practice gratitude. Each day, write down 3 things you're thankful for. This simple act can shift your perspective. Stay optimistic and surround yourself with positive influences. Remember, challenges are part of the process. Instead of feeling defeated by them, view them as stepping stones. Smile at the little wins along the way. Even small progress should be celebrated. Staying positive will keep your energy high and your motivation strong. So there you have it. 5 steps to help you on your path to success in just 10 minutes. Don't forget to take a moment to define your goals, develop a growth mindset, take action, build a strong network, and maintain a positive attitude. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Share it with friends who might need a little inspiration. And let me know in the comments which step you'll focus on first. Let's make those dreams a reality together.